The answer to our future evolution will surprise you. A human destiny is accelerating beyond purely biological constraints. But we stand at a threshold where engineering meets biology. For millennia, evolution was slow. Now, it is instantaneous. And now that we understand the speed, let's explore integration. The first major shift involves direct neural interfacing. But this allows instant access to external computation power. Bond, collective intelligence, becomes physically accessible to every individual. But integration isn't limited to the brain, it affects the entire body. Enhanced strength and sensory input will become the new norm. These are the cyborg futures, merging machine and flesh permanently. ATIP. This represents evolution driven by external tools, not internal mutation. And now that we understand physical enhancement, let's explore genetic shaping. Genetic engineering offers control over our intrinsic biology. Eliminating disease is the immediate goal for many researchers. But the horizon promises enhancement beyond mere correction. Imagine humans evolving natural resistances to radiation and vacuum. This form of evolution is inherited, embedded in future generations. This opens the door to true speciation events dictated by choice. The key ethical dilemma remains: who decides the next blueprint? Our societal structures must adapt to these widening biological gaps. Will we create a stratification based on engineered advantages? But these two paths, tech integration and genetic redesign, are converging. And the ultimate predicted human is a hybrid of both domains. Being optimized for deep space colonization or digital existence. Survival outside Earth requires radical biological retooling. Gravity shifts, radiation spikes, resource scarcity. These drive adaptation. Evolutionary pressures are no longer environmental, they are self-imposed demands. What defines humanity when the physical body is completely mutable? We must trace this journey from ancient origins to the hyperfuture. The divergence point is now, not millennia away. Some predictions suggest a split into naturals and enhanced. The enhanced will possess cognitive speeds we can barely comprehend. A communication might evolve past language entirely into pure data exchange. But this forms a new cognitive substrate, a shared digital consciousness. Conversely, some predict evolution toward extreme biological specialization. But the aquatic future suggests radically altered respiration and skeletal systems. But this relies on slow, sustained environmental pressure not immediate tech. We might see humans optimized for zero gravity or low light existence. A bodies stretched by the demands of vertical habitats or low gravity. On efficiency in energy use becomes paramount over sheer strength. And now that we understand specialization, consider the metaphysical implication. The ultimate evolution might be abandoning the physical body entirely. And digital consciousness offers immortality within a stable, controlled environment. Here, evolution is purely informational, adaptation is software update. But this allows for immediate, non-physical iteration and self-improvement cycles. Why? The physical human becomes an optional, slower predecessor. Yet, we cannot ignore the inherent value in our current biological form. B. The resilience forged over eons of natural selection is profound. Technology might streamline evolution, but nature offers robustness. The likely outcome blends these divergent evolutionary pressures. Our future humans will choose their evolutionary path, one concept at a time. And this is self-directed evolution, the end of passive inheritance. And the definition of human will expand to encompass these new forms. Environments previously hostile will become accessible through bioengineering. The tools are becoming smaller, smarter, and exponentially more powerful. Sensory input capabilities will redefine perception itself. But the future is not one species, but a mosaic of optimized expressions. Understanding these paths allows us to shape our own next chapter. But the evolution of humanity is now, unequivocally, in human hands.